Hello my brothers, my sisters. I'm just going on a trip today, just to relieve some stress. I'm so tired. So see, I'm in the car. I'm already ready, and I have drinks here. I'm charging my drone. I have a drone charger. I'm charging my drone here. I'm charging my GoPro. I have cameras here. So you can see all of this in the car. So maybe when I get to Bondi Beach, I will when I stop there, little bit relaxation, maybe eat some food, then I will check your messages maybe when I'm in a small restaurant there. Thank you my brothers and my sisters.
बाकी सारी फेक लगे देख के तुझको ब्रेक लगे दूर दूर से ठीक है रानी पास आऊं तो सेक लगे
पारा इतना हाई हुआ कि थर्मामीटर टूट गया सैया जी का टपक टपक के हाय पसीना छूट गया
कैसी गुंडागर्दी है बंदी तू बेदर्दी है सर्दी में भी कर दी है हाय घर में हाय घर में हाय घर में हाय घर में दिसंबर में कर दिसंबर तू लैम्बोर्गिनी मैं हूँ हमर वैसे भी कोई जल्दी नहीं मुझको बचपन से ही मैं लेट कमर मिलियन में तू बेबी एक हिलती कमर जैसे स्नेक तेरी सुंदरता पे लिख दूं बेबी 2 फुट लंबा लेख कर दूं 100 बात की एक लेगी मुझको तुम माथा टेक गर्मी कहते हैं किसको तो मुझको गले लगा के देख ऐसे ना तू देख परे दिल क्यों मेरा ब्रेक करे लाल ड्रेस में रानी बिल्कुल रेड वेलवेट का केक लगे
तेरे जैसे जाने कितनों के दिल चकना चूर हुए मेरे पीछे मर के आशिक कितने ही मशहूर हुए
कैसी गुंडागर्दी है सर्दी में भी कर दी है हाय गर्मी सैंडल में करना पाऊं हैंडल में सांस सा देखो मेरा रुकने लगा
देखा जो हसीना के सीने पे पसीना तो पसीना तेरा भी देखो छूटने लगा
नाचे जो तू सैंडल में करना पाऊं हैंडल में सांस सा देखो मेरा रुकने लगा
देखा जो हसीना के सीने पे पसीना तो पसीना तेरा भी देखो छूटने लगा हाँ?
हाय घर में हाय घर में हाय घर में
Bondi Beach. Okay, see, beautiful, very beautiful. When I was young, I never thought I would be on a country like this. Never thought of it. I'm a very poor boy in a very poor place. I never thought I'll be here. Just one thing I know. I'm reading the Bible. I read that verse saying that God says that God can make those people who's very poor, who sit in the dump, in the ashes, God can make them to like sit with princesses. They can be kings and queens and princes and princesses. That's in my mind. Everything came true. What do you think? Look at where I am. Look at where I am right now. So you think the Holy Bible is true? Yes, it is true. The words of God written there are all true because it all happened to me. That's why I'm showing it. God be praised. Amen. That was a great day. Amazing day. But now I have to eat something. So I'm in this restaurant. I'm in a restaurant to eat something. I brought this Mountain Dew so that it's expensive here. They gave me water. They have like, I don't know, chili, yeah, like that noodles. My things here. I ordered this noodle with prawn, with dumplings. It's a big one. Then I'm gonna put chili here and soy sauce. Amazing. Drink. I don't drink sugar, but I cannot avoid it right now. So that's it. What can you say about my little? Is it fun? You see the view. You see the view of Bondi Beach. You can see it there. While I'm eating, I can see the view of Bondi Beach. So while I'm eating, I can see the view of Bondi Beach there. Amazing. Hey guys. Wow. Welcome back. So hungry. So hungry. I'm so hungry because I did not eat since last night. Dumplings and chili oil. All climb and climb. I'm already hungry, I have no energy anymore. Okay, I'll show you the restaurant when I get there. Bondi Beach over there. That's it. Bondi Beach. Oh, and all that was its majesty and beauty. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful video. God be the glory. God be praised for creating all of these things, for creating us humans that we enjoy life like this. It's all the work of God, our Father in heaven. Amen. See, there's good rock formation here. Very good rocks. Wow. Beautiful. Nature. Oh, yeah, I think I've reached it. Yeah, I think I have reached the top here. I know, one more climb, baby. One more climb. Little bit more climb. Oh yeah, I need to climb up there. More climb, more climb. But this is a good spot for drone, but yeah, this is a good spot. There's shadows here. Yeah, it's becoming. Wind is picking up. Oh, wind is picking up now. Wind is becoming strong. I hope a drone will do it alright. Climb here. Oh shit, the wall is wet. I just touched it. There it is. The peak of Mount Everest. So many people. Need to find a good spot to fly the drone. I'm hungry. Now I'm hungry. After fasting since last night. Now I'm hungry. So many people. I need to do what I came here for. Fly that drone for a good shot.